Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how can we create a variable product using WooCommerce. So just go to your WordPress dashboard and after that just click on products, then click on add new product. After that name your product. So we will name it Power Suit, and then we need to insert a product description here. So you can insert any description that you want for your product. So I will insert this description here. Then I will copy this description and I will just go down and here I will insert the same description into my product short description. After that, you need to set a product image for your product. So I will go to my gallery and here I will insert this picture here, you can see. And then after that, I will just go down and I will add a product gallery for my product. So I will insert these three images and then I will add it to my gallery. So here you can see. Then you need to insert a product category. So I will just write casual here. And after that, if you have brand options, so you can write it. Otherwise, just leave it as it is. So now our product is created. So I will just click on publish. And after that, I will just go scroll down and here you can see the product data. I will make it variable product. And then I will go to the attributes here. So you can see we don't have any existing attribute. So I will just here create a new attribute here. So for example, I will name it size. And then here values. So here you can see use slash to separate different options. So for example, small, I will just insert a slash here, then medium, and then slash, then large. And then I will click on save attribute. So I have created one attribute. Then I will create a new attribute. I will click on add new and I will name it something like color. And here you can see our product gallery. We have three colors: black, green, and we have red. And then I will click on save attribute. After that, you need to go to the variations here, click on variations, then click on generate variation. Now we have 9 variations here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here, let me just click on update and let me preview the product first of all. So I will go back here and here I can see the product. So here you can see the product is currently out of stock and unavailable. So don't worry about that. We will go back again here and click on variations here. And then I will just click on bulk action. And here I will click on toggle manage stock. And then here you can see add a price. So I will add a price. So here I will make it 99.99. And then I will click on add prices. So now I will just click on update and I will preview my product again. So now you can see we have 99.99 and free shipping. So now you can choose from your options: small, black, anything you want to like. So here you can see green. And after that, here you can see out of stock option is still, here it is. So then just go to the variations again. And then just click on bulk action, then click on stock. And here, for example, if you have 20 in your stock or 30, you can insert whatever you want. So I will insert 10 and I will click on OK. And then I will click on update and I will go back here again and I will see my product preview. So now you can see small, black. So you can see availability 10 in stock. So now after that, if you want different prices for your different attributes, So you need to click on variations. So for example, if you want to change the price of small black, so you can just change the price from here. So for example, if you want to make it 14, something like that. And if you want to change an image, so for example, if someone clicks on small, uh, and if someone clicks on green, so it should show green picture. So now it's showing black. So how can we do that as well? So here, click on the picture and then insert the black picture here. So here you can see I have changed the price and the picture here as well for this variation. And here, same as it is, just make it green. If you want to change the price, you can do it. I will leave it as it is. And then for the red, just insert this image. Same as it is for each one of them, you need to insert it. So let me just do it quickly. Black, green, and after that, insert the red. Same as it is. So we have 9 variations. So we need to insert it for each one of them. Black, green, and let me add it for the red, the last one. So here you can see. So if you want to change the price of this one here as well, so just make it, so for example, I will make it 29.99. And then I will just click on update. So I will go back to my product preview and I will just refresh it. So here you can see, but we need to make sure the size should be default here. Something is chosen or small, medium or anything. So let me go back here again, variations, and here default from values. So I will just select the small and the color black, or let me just make it medium and then click on save changes and update. And here, let me just refresh my page. So here you can see medium is already selected and black here as well. So if you want to make it small, black, the price is changed as well. And then if you want to choose the green color, so the green picture will appear here. If you want to change it to red, the red picture will appear. Same as it is here, you can see medium, red, black, the black picture appears here. So that's how you can create your variable product. So if you want something like, if you want to show it something like black colors, the colors label will appear here. So it's totally up to you. So I want to show you another way to create variable product. So just go to your dashboard and then go to your plugins. And after that, I have already installed the plugin here. So variation switches for WooCommerce. So let me show you the product as well. I will copy the product name, and I will go to add a plugin. And here, just insert the plugin, search for the plugin, variation switches for WooCommerce. So let me show you the plugin that you need to install and activate the plugin. So in thumbnail, I have showed you the picture. It's actually, we need to create variations using this plugin. So here you can see variation switches for WooCommerce by Imran Ahmed. Make sure to insert this plugin. So I will just click on activate. And here, now you can see our product is something like this. So I want to change it to something else. So now you can see we have created attributes and variations as well. So here you can see, I will just go to products and here I will click on attributes here. And here I will just name, for example, size my attribute. And here I will select a type. So I will just click on color. I will just leave it as it is. And then I will click on add attribute. And here, just click on configure items here. And here, just add your sizes. So for example, for small, I will add S. And here for medium, so you can just click on M. And for large, just click on L. So let me edit this one here as well. Let me just make it capital M, update. And let me go to the back to size attributes. And here I will just make the S capital S. Update. So now let me go to my size attributes. Here you can see we have 3 attributes. Here you can see LMS. So let me go to my attributes. Here you can see in size we have 3 terms: LMS, large, medium, and small. And then after that you need to create a new attribute. So for example, I will create color and then select label tab. So I will make it color. And then here I will just add an attribute here. And then click on configure items, configure terms. And here I will just name it black. So I will just here insert the black color. And here I will just name it green. And then the color, I will make it green. And after that, sorry, let me just add the color. Green. Sorry, let me just name it red. This one. And then just insert the red. So here we have created 3 terms for the color attribute. Let me just go to my attributes here. And here you can see my attributes. These are already created, so we don't need to create again and again the attributes. So let me go to my product. Let me just refresh this page. And let me go back here into the attributes. Let me just delete these attributes, remove that we created without the plugin. And here search for existing, so color. Here you can see search for the values. So for example, black, green, and red. Here you can see. And then click on save attributes. And then create a new attribute here. So we already have the attribute size. And then here we will make it small, medium, and large. Here you can see, just click on save attributes. And then if you want to move, let me move the color after the size after the color. So here you can see size and color. Then click on save attributes and then go to the variations here. Here you can see, go to the variations and here click on generate variation. So here you can see, and then click on add price. So I will give it 19.99 and then I will click on add price. After that, I will click on update and I will go to my product preview. So here you can see we have LMS, size, color. It looks little bit good. So the simple one here, medium, green, red, but you can see the picture is not changing because we need to do the same way as we did for this one. So here, go to the variations, same as it is, update here. So if you want to change the price, 14, change the image. So for example, black, here you can see. And for the green one, I will insert this image. And for the red one, I will insert this image. So I will not do all of that. because I don't want to waste your time. So I will leave it as it is. So you can do all of that if you need the variations. So I will go back here again. And here you can see, let me update the here for the large. You can see I will make it green. So you can see red, the red picture is appearing. And for the small, here you can see here, large, small, medium. So it's totally up to you. If you want to change the price, so you can do it in the variations as well. So if you want to change the price of something else, so for example, for the black, here you can see 14.99. So it's totally up to you. So for example, if you want to change the price for this one, so if you want to make it 29.99 for each variation, so you can change the price as well. So just click on Save Changes. And here, and then click on Update. So you can see, you can save the price as well here. So let me just show you how you want to, if you want to create another attribute. So for example, for the images, you don't need to upload all of the images again and again. So select here image and then click on attribute, and here configure terms. Sorry, let me just go back. Configure terms. Sorry, I am just clicking the wrong one. Images, configure terms. So here, for example, if you want to write black, upload an image for the black one. This one, this is the black. Okay. And if you want to add another one, so for example, green, add an image for the green one. And add an image for the red one as well. So I will name it red, add new images. So here you can see, I will go back to the attributes here. So you can see we have now images attribute as well. So if we just update our variations, so here, go to the attributes and then insert images. So here you can see, select black, red, black, and green here, and click on Save Attributes, and then update. And here, just refresh the page. So here you can see the images attribute is showing as well here, 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 here. So it's totally up to you how you want it. So here you can see the price is changing here as well, 14.99, 29.99. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, kindly ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.